While NASA's plans to return to the moon are unclear tonight, Boeing confirmed with WAFF 48 today layoffs in Huntsville's Space Launch System are on the way. Thousands of people who work for Boeing right here in Huntsville, many of them helped design the Artemis rocket in the SLS program. That program's main mission is to get back to the moon. But Boeing says we have entered a new phase in that project. Here's Noah Cowell with more.
The first successful Artemis moon mission launched in November of 2022, sending an unmanned capsule around the moon. Artemis 2 is supposed to send astronauts into lunar orbit, with Artemis 3 having the goal of putting astronauts back on its surface. All of the missions are powered by the SLS rockets, but Boeing announced Friday it warned its workers within the SLS program that up to 400 of them could lose their jobs by April.
I see the notice for the layoffs. I don't worry about it. And I think Boeing is a company that will take care of its employees.
In a statement, a Boeing spokesperson told WAFF 48 that they must give employees 60-day notices once layoffs become official, which they said should be expected in the coming weeks. They say this decision comes as an attempt to align with the changing Artemis program and cost expectations. The spokesperson adds Boeing will make an effort to shuffle people from this program into other divisions to avoid those layoffs. Chris Barker is a former Boeing employee and SLS consultant, and he says the program had a need for hundreds of engineering jobs when it was first getting going a decade ago. But he says once the rocket design and building phase reaches a certain point, many of those employees are no longer needed and they can move on to other projects.
As the program matures and as the design gets complete, then you don't need all those engineers and scientists. They move off to other programs, and you then start to focus more on production things, which is kind of where SLS is.
That was Noah Cowell reporting. Now, Boeing did not clarify what its plan for the SLS program employees down the road will be. The Artemis 2 mission is set to launch in April of next year, and as of last month, the plans for that launch have not changed.